Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option App Management. Then let's tap on the second option, App List, and here tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on Reset Up Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.